All right, come join me. We are in the Village of St. Johns today, and we're looking at a really great 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So into the entryway and off to the left is 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. So here's the guest bathroom. Really great spot. Right off the front entrance, and to the left is this queen bedroom. Perfect space for guests. Really nice artwork in this home. Little sitting area for having dinner, 2-seater, as well as 2 seats at the kitchen counter. Stainless steel appliances, gas stove, and nice living space here. Off to the right, we've got the laundry area. And then we've got entrance to the single car garage with a golf cart addition. So that's kind of nice. You can get your car and your golf cart in here. Nice space for lounging. And then off to the right, we've got the master bedroom. Nice big king bed. Closet space and ensuite. So real close to Lake Okahumpka Rec Center in the Village of St. John. Nice lanai covered. So if you're looking for a rental, Village of St. John, close to Brownwood, close to Sawgrass, Lake Okahumpka Rec Center, this is a really nice option for you. 2 bed, 2 bath. Hope you enjoyed the tour.